All right, welcome to the new energetic message of the day. And I just have to laugh. I love this image. So, this image is pigs in mud. So, that's the image of the day, pigs in mud. I love pigs. I'm on the cusp of being born in the year of the pig. So, anyway, pigs in mud. However, there is another pig on the outside of the mud that's perfectly clean, that is spotless, does not want to get in the mud at all, doesn't want to get dirty, doesn't want to get yucky, doesn't want to do any of that ooey gooey stuff. And so what Spirit said, I was like, well, what does this represent? And Spirit said the mud represents life experiences. So those, are you the pig that's in the mud and just rolling around in it and walking through it and laying on your back in it and sleeping in it? Then you are really comfortable with having a lot of life experiences so that you can live and learn. Or are you that pig, that piglet that's on the outside that just doesn't want to get dirty? There's no right or wrong way. Your spirit just wants you to notice. Are you the one that wants to stay pristine and you don't want to get triggered, so you don't want to get in that mud of life experiences? Then just simply notice that about the aspects of yourself. And if you're the type that likes to roll around in the mud and you like to have life experiences, notice that part about yourself too. So I'm really loving this one. I got a big kick out of this when Spirit showed it to me. So please write in the comments section so that everybody can read it and that I can read it. And I look forward to seeing you on the next energetic message of the day. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.